Today, Office of the Customs, Air Intelligence Unit, made a very different kind of seizure. They have intercepted a passenger coming by Air Arabia, and while checking the baggage, they found there is a soldering machine. It was unusually heavier than the normal weight. So, on suspicion, the officers opened, and when they checked, they found that coil was wound with copper, but inside the coil it was gold in coil form has been concealed. The gold was weighing around 3 kgs. This is a novel modus operandi adopted, and I congratulate all the officers for doing a wonderful job in detecting this case. In fact, recently we had a major seizure in Vizag by officers from the DRI, detecting some 63 kgs of gold from some 55 passengers from electronic goods. After that, we started intensifying our activities in locating the articles specifically, whether any concealment is there in the articles. So because of our constant vigil, we are able to identify a normal modus operandi and thwarted a major attempt of smuggling through the Goa airport.
Market amount, sir?
This value is around 80 lakhs.